So, okay, welcome back to the other day. So, we have, for today, this is our second session. We had the tutorial session before an hour, yeah. So now it's the third day of the week. Also, the interim submission is going to be today. So, let's share our stand-up. How are you doing? What is the thing that you're gaining from this week's project? And what is new. So let's share our stand-up. Let's discuss about our progress and our challenges too. So yeah, who would like first? Marco, you can go.
ሰላም ይሰማል
ይሰማል ግርማ።
ኦኬ እንትን የዚህ ዊክ ቻሌንጅ ላይ ትንሽ ያስቸገረ ኢዲኤውን ከፍቻለሁ ትንሽ ያስቸገረኝ ጥያቄ ሆነብኝ ሪፖርትን ሶስት ነው የምናደርገው ማለት ሶስቱም ላይ ሪፖርት የተለያየ አድርገን ነው የምንሰራው ዳታ ሴት የተለያየ ስለሆነ ሪፖርት የተለያየ አድርገን ነው የምንሰራው ወይስ እንትን ነው ምክንያቱም አንድ ላይ ለማድረግ ሞክሬ ነበር ሜቢ ጊታቤን አክሰስ ካደረግሽ
ጊታቤን ምን
ጊታቤ ላይ ካየሽ ምናልባት
አላየሁም
ኢንኮለላ
ስላክ ላይ ላክልኝ
ኦኬ ስላክ ላይ ያውና ልክ ያለው ግሩፕ ላይ
ግሩፕ ላይ ሳይሆን የዲም ብታረገው was አሁን ችግር የለም እኔ አክሰስ ስለማደርገው ዲሊት አደርገዋለሁ እሺ ፕሮሲድ ጥያቄን ቀጥልማ
አሁን እኔ ያስቸገረኝ ሶስቱም የተለያየ እንትን ያለውና አሁን የመጀመሪያ እንትን ላይ ስትራክቸሩን መስራት እሱ አላስቸገረኝም ስትራክቸሩን በትክክል ሰርቻለሁ ታስክ 1 ላይ ማለት ነው ታስክ 2 ላይ ግን የኳንቲቲቭ አናላይሲስ ማለት የፓይ ቻርት እና የታሊብ ላይ የተሰጡ ዳታዎች አሉ እነዚህ ዳታ ሴቱ ላይ ማለት ነው
ያ
ዳታ ሴቱን እያንዳንዱን ለብቻ ሰርተን ነው ብራንች አድርገን መርጅ የምናደርገው ወይስ ለብቻ ራሱ ሪፖዚተሪ ኳሊቴቲቭ አናላይሲስ የሚል እንትን ሪፖዚተሪ ሰርተን እዛ ላይ ምክንያቱም ብዙ ነው እንትኑ ራሱ ስቱራቱ ፋይሎች መስራት ያለብን የኮሪሌሽኑ እንትኑ ብዙ ነው ፋይሎች የፋይናንስ የዋይ ፋይናንስ ዳታው ማለት ነው
Yeah, so like the kahun, it's repository is not even a question. You're not going to use different repository for one project. We expect you to use one repository per project. So you can check the repository submission outcome. Like you're going to submit the link for the report, the link for your report as well. We expect you to do it on repo like so. I feel like this is being a problem. The government like So on ሁለት አይነት ዴታ ነው ያላችሁ the quantitative analysis the raw data analysis which is the publisher ወይ ደግሞ የአርቲክሎቹ data and per company ያለው information for every company right so what I was thinking was EDA it depends on your EDA ምን ያህል deep EDA ነው የሚሆነው ምን ያህል explore ታደርጋላችሁ so አሁን ግርማ you said በጣም ብዙ exploration for each country ስለምትሰሩ it is going to be massive so in that case I would expect you EDAችሁን አንድ branch ላይ ብትሰሩት and in different notebook handle ማድረግ ትችላላችሁ EDA so data ከአንድ ላይ ነው ያለው every data so ሁሉንም in a different notebook call እያደረግ you can do specify የተደረጉ notebooks for every country so exploration and እንደዛ መስራት ትችላለ so for another task ሲሆን for the sentiment analysis or like big change of tasks ማለት ነው for sentiment analysis or for the topic modeling and for other procedures you can use another branch so the አንደኛው branch would be for the exploring the data all the data ሊሆን ይችላል and the other will be for the sentiment analysis, topic modeling, and other tasks. So ahunum there is no ምንድን expect የምናደርገው branch ስንል so different tasks should be done on different branch. So እንጂ ይሄንን like I'm trying to see እንትናችሁ የቻይኒዝ ዶክመንታችሁ so ኢዴይን task 1 is generally ኢዴይ እና like ኢዴያችሁን branch out አድርጓቸው የሚል instruction የለም right? አለ create at least one new branch task one for your analysis ነው so አናሊሲዛችሁን እንዳለ ኢዲዮን አንድ ብራንች ውስጥ አድርጉት and then ለእያንዳንዱ ካምፓኒ ግን የምትሰራውን analysis you can just make it on a different notebook if I'm clear so repository አንድ ነው የምንፈልገው ብራንችን ኢዲ አንድ ብራንች ላይ መስራት ይችላል ግን you can handle it in different notebook ከዛ ደግሞ modularize ለማድረግ probably አንድ አይነት ስቴፖች ወይ አንድ አይነት type of functionዎች ብዙ ስለምትጠቀም ለእያንዳንዱ ካምፓኒ analysis ስትሰራ ኖትቡክ እዛው አንደኛው ብራንች ላይ ያው source file create አድርግና modularize አድርገው put your functions there
ኦኬ እንደዛ ማድረግ ይችላል በቃ አሁን በፊት የሰራሁት ለብቻ ነበር ለማስራት ያሰብኩት የመጀመሪያ ማለት የሴንቲሜንቱን እና የኳንቲቲቭ ዳታውን አንድ ላይ አድርጌ አንድ ሪፖ ላይ ነው የሰራሁት በታስክ ሳልከፋፍል ማለት ነው አሁን ግን በትኗል እንደዛ ከሆነ በብራንች አድርጌ ይሰራዋል ግን ኮሜንት ብታደርጊኝ ደስ ይለኛል ይታው
so የዛሬ ኢንትሪም ሰሚሽን ስለሆነ course so you know la interim submission የሚሆን ስራ አለው ብያስባለሁ so just submit እና after the submission grader one እኛ verify አድርገን we will give you the comment
okay ውጤት ላይ ቀንስም
so I mean ያው ምን ማድረግ እንችላለን like ውጤትን አይቼ እንዲያርገው አይደለም like አሁን ኖትቡክን ሳይሆን የምፈልገው just ጥያቄ ካለ ጥያቄህን ከዛ ደግሞ like if there is some specific question that you have እና የሆነ confusion ካለ እሱን clear out ለማድረግ ነው እንጂ ምን ሞክረው ያው የሁሉንም ሰው ማየት ሊኖርብን ነው እንደዛ ከሆነ
ኢንትሪም ደግሞ ምንድነው ማለት ግልጽ ያልሆነልኝ ነው አሁን ኢንትሪም ስንልና ፋይናል ስንል ኢንትሪም ስንል ማለት የሆነ ሁለቱም የራሱ ከመቶ ኢቫሉዌሽን ስላለው ኢንትሪም ምን አቺቭ ማድረግ አለብን ማለት ይሄ እንደ ሚኒመም እንትን ይኖረዋል ግራ ስለገባኝ
ኢንትሪም ሰሚሽን ኢንትሪም like ቻሌንጅ ዶክመንታችን ላይ ሁሉ ጊዜ ኢንትሪም ሰሚሽን ስንል ሐሳቡ እንደጀመራችሁ ምን ያክል ሄዳችሁ ምናምን ለማወቅ ነው የምንፈልገው so on the challenge document ደግሞ specifically ለእያንዳንዱ ሊላይ ስለሚችል ኦኬ ኢንትሪም ሰሚሽን ስፔሲፋይ አልተደረገላችሁም I guess for this week yeah for the other times interim submission blood specify እናደርጋቸዋለን ምን expect እንደምናደርግ so for now you can go on with task 1 እና task 2 ብዙ ጊዜ task 1 is just setting up task 2 is like መጀመራችሁን የሚያሳይ ለዛ task 1 እና task 2 መጨረሳችሁ it is okay የተደረገ ይመስለኛል I'm checking for the wrong intent so due date Friday not Tuesday Friday la interim report covering task 1 partially progress task 2 ይላል challenge documentation ላይ so length of your report maximum 3 page focus to summarize initial findings and methodology and challenge encountered keep the report concise and informative and then task 1 እና task 2 partially የሰራችሁበትን GitHub branch ወይ ደግሞ I mean your main branch GitHub ሊንካችሁን ወይ የሪፖርት ሊንካችሁን ተጠናላችሁ ማለት ነው so for every week specific የሆነ change ካለ interim submission እና final submission expectationችን challenge documentአችሁ ላይ reflect ይደረጋል so check that for this week ደግሞ task 1 እና partially task 2 expect የምናደርገው
thank you
Mahlit there is no MSFT stock symbol MSFT is your Microsoft so like አሁን የMSFT ብቻ ሳይሆን there might be ሌሎች እንትኖች አሁን like ሲምቦል አንፃር ሳይሆን ዴታዎችም ላይኖሩ ይችላሉ ኦኬ አሉ ተብሎ የተቀመጠላችሁ ግን ደግሞ ዴታውን ላታገኙ የምትችሏቸው ስቶክ ማርኬቶች ይኖራሉ so that is also considered as one of the challenge so you need to determine those data now you need to include it on your report expectation soon so some data that are not included ticker name ኖራችሁ ዳታዎቻችሁ የሌሏችሁ ካምፓኒ ኔሞች ካሉ just keep on noticing that and I'll include them on your report like those data are not included for that reason ብላችሁ we need to see እነሱን ለይታቸው ወይም አለያቸዋቸው የሚለው መሀል ጥያቄሽ there is no MS safety stock symbol I mean MS safety is a stock symbol by itself. What do you mean? What is the question? And maybe MS safety and MSF they stand for the same company. Ticker name MS safety, MS safe ከሆነ maybe if that is related with this your question is the undivided company which is a Microsoft. If I get your question right, then what is the question? I'm also trying to see the data to understand your question. ግን clarify ታደርጊልኝ ደስ ይለኛል። እስከዛ any other person who wanna go next? So inside White Finance data TSL, NVIDIA, MSFT, Meta, Google, AMZ, Amazon, Apple historical ዳታዎች አሉ። Okay. So inside the raw data ደግሞ የብዙ ካምፓኒዎች ticker name and data አለን። Okay. እሺ I mean the raw data analyst stock variable there is no name. Okay, she should yeah, I get you. So I believe MSF አለ። Let me check that. So maybe መሀሌት also notice correction አንቺም ታግዥኝ ትችያለሽ። MSF አይተሽዋል? So MSF ticker name ያለው ዴታ የለንም raw data analyst ዳታችን ላይ it's really large data ስለሆነ ማግኘት እንትን ይላል የሚፈልከስ So yeah, I guess MSF የለንም። ግን MSF አለን ያ so MSF column አለን again መሀሌት have you checked and every one of you actually have you checked document share አድርገናል so እሺ ያ መሀሌት I have checked MSF አለን and maybe have you guys checked the other data which is እንትን ticker names and their company name extract አድርገን ያ data share አድርገንላችኋል so I believe I have included MSF/MSFT stands for the same company. So MSF you can take it as an የዋይት ፋይናንስ ዳታችን ላይ MSFT የሚያሳየው ስቶክ raw data analystችን ላይ በMSF ሜንሽን የተደረገው ዴታ ነው ማለት ነው። So መሀሌት am I clear? Are you guys hearing me? Thank you. So yeah, Mahali. Yeah. So yeah, I guess it is clear, Mahali. You can take that. Now, or should I do the EDA on raw analysis creating CSV or Y finance data? So EDA is basically exploration. So it depends how many actual detailed የሆነ exploration ላካሄድ እችላለሁ የሚለውን ነው እንጂ ሊለያይ የሚችለው doing exploration on all of the data is important. So exploration ላይ you might not include the cleaning step and outlier detect ማድረግ and other stuff on most of the data, especially on the Y finance data. Then exploration at its easiest level plus ደግሞ quantity አሁን like the idea of using Y finance and other tools is at the end still you're exploring the data አይደለም, it's quantitative analysis እያካሄድን ነው, right? So you can consider that as a exploration. ሙሉ ለሙሉ ኢዴን ባይሆን you can consider it as an exploration. So you are supposed to do the exploration on all of the data node. ያው ግን like it might not be the same exploration that we used to do because እዚህ ጋር ያሉን አሁን like የሄድላየር ሳውንድ ሄድላየር ካውንት ማድረግ ከሆነ it is just counting ከዛ ፐብሊሸሮች ምን ያክል ተደጋጋሚ የሆነ አንድ ፐብሊሸር ምን ያክል ተደጋጋሚ አርቲክሎችን ፐብሊሽ እንደሚያስደርግ እሱም መለየት ሊሆን ይችላል your exploration. So it might be a little bit different for numerical value, different than evaluating or exploring the numerical values. Can still we need an EDA. Now is that clear? Now you guys can just show me thumbs up or thumbs down. Thumbs up if you understood the answer, or the other one if you did not working out. Nature, is there specific format for non-technical submission? Maybe Emilian and Gudai are here, so you guys can involve in this.
Okay, hi everyone. So we're gonna have a session later today around 1:30 or 30 minutes after this session, and maybe we can address that question on that session.
Okay. Yeah, Emilian, also thank you. Good day, Emilian. You can proceed.
Yeah, just an announcement to remind today's careers session is today.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Emilian. So yeah, you guys have a career session, I guess, after the session. So this is thank you. Is this one Abil Zallaka? Yeah, Mahalit, I have received your authentication request. So let me check. I thought like it is included inside the. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it's exactly that. I guess that is the link, Abil. You guys don't have an access for it. If that is the case, yeah, I can do it now. Yes, okay. This is the document. After the session, I will give you an access. Yeah, Abil, that is the link. Okay. So ED exploration or Y finance is expected in task 2 or in task 1. Okay, so let's check what task 2 says. Quantitative analysis using Pinance and TLib. Exactly, task 2 is requiring the detailed analysis, quantitative analysis of your task, which is an EDA, which is going to be applied on the Y finance data. The first one is the descriptive statistics, like it says obtaining statistics for textual links, the headline, which is based on the article data, and the text analysis, the topic modeling, the time series analysis, the topic modeling, and things that you can consider them as not part of the EDA. So you can consider them as part of the ED, actually. So basically, the descriptive statistics, they will continue the whole part of the ED, right? So I guess both task 1 and task 2 have a part of the ED. So there is the EDA for the quantitative analysis and EDA for the raw data and for the Y finance data. Leza, you could just include both task 1 and in this case, in this week's challenge, EDA is not like exploring the data is part of the challenge. It's not just the EDA. It's also seeing the doing the topic modeling, doing the time series analysis. So EDA have different directions or different paths in this week's challenge. So we can consider that both task 1 and task 2 are part of the EDA. So for, I guess, Sumaya mentioned, so EDA or exploration for finance is expected in task, yes, for the Y finance, it is expected on task 2, and for the raw data or for the article data, it is expected on task 1. Sumaya, is that clear? Non-nature, okay. Kumsa is GOG and the same. Meta is cost of Facebook. Google the same. So again, like the ticker name for every company determine adrikan share arganal. So I guess there is the access problem. I will give you the access. But do we have both of the ticker names in the data? Kumsa. I will be checking too. Yeah, there is GOG and GOG. So in this case, I would say that probably maybe you can check. Maybe you can check if both of them stands for the same company or not. And yes, Meta is for Facebook. Maybe you can change, but logically, the ticker names if there's a specific ticker name that is mentioned here, they stand for a different company. That is the logic. So we need to make sure if there are some same ticker names that stands for, I mean, different ticker names standing for the same company. Also, I can make the search now. Maybe Kumsa, you can just search. I'm sorry, guys. I guess I've switched someone. I'm not sure who. Sorry very much. I was having a problem with my connection, so we can proceed. We were talking about the ticker names, right? So let's check. Meanwhile, like you can go. Whoever is raising his hand. So yeah, Kumsa, both of them stands for Alphabet or Google mainly. So you can, but for this case, so I guess this is really good thing to notice on the data. It would be part of what you need. Like exploring the data means this is one of the aspects of exploring the data. So you need to take measurement. I don't know what measurement you would do. Maybe you can bring both of the ticker names to one ticker name and consider them as one data, because since we're trying to solve, we're assuming like to solve the real-time problem. So assuming one company data as a 2 might be, you know, it will create a bias. So try to do try to do any type of measurements, try to take any type of measurements in every problem or thing that you have noticed on the data. So that is a good thing to notice. Both of you, Kumsa and also Mahalit, what you've noticed earlier. That is why there are also other problems on the data that you will notice. We are expecting you to manage that. But this one, for the Google, the 2 ticker names for the Google, I was not expecting this type of thing, but there are other aspects that we're expecting you to find on the data. So yeah, Kumsa, they stand for the same data, so you need to take some measurement on that. Maybe bringing all the data to both of the ticker names to one ticker name. Am I clear, Kumsa? Or maybe find out if there's a reason that they have, you know, identified or specific ticker name. Kumsa, am I clear? Are you there? Okay. If there were questions on the previous call message, I cannot see them now. So I'm sorry, maybe you could just paste them again. Okay. Kansai, hello team. To give updates, I'm only starting on the task, but I've finished watching the recordings of the previous session as I was not able to attend them live. Okay, Kansai, I guess you would be able to finish task 1 and do task 2 partially, and you will be able to submit your submissions for your interim submission. Good luck. Thank you for sharing your stand-up. It's Barak, task 2 dataset is Wi-Fi. Yes, that is task 2 dataset. Okay. Any other question? So who is going to share their stand-up next? Maybe I can call names, but before that, let us just see if there are people interested. Anyone? Yeah. So yeah, other thing that I need really to mention is so we have tried to installing Tailib in Windows might be somehow hard. Like you might get very tiny issues or problems. So you can just do the financial analysis using Y-Finance, using other libraries. So you can just ignore or jump the TAD part. It is not a must if you're facing a problem while installing it, because I've noticed that you've not even seen. I mean, you've not watched how to install TAD in your environment, I guess, right, on the Y-Finance session. So you can take it as an optional. So there are another library, which library? Pinance. You can just use Pinance and other libraries. Actually, Pinance, which is mentioned on your challenge document. So that is really good if you have managed to install Tailib, but there's always a problem installing Tailib in Windows. It is more compatible in Ubuntu or Linux. That is why. But also, if there is, if there is another change, or if we are going to consider it for a must, maybe we can prepare a session specifically to see how to install Tailib rather than expecting you to install it. Okay. Wendy in main, can you share us your stand-up? Wendy, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah. Can you share us your?
Actually, ትንሽ ወደ ኋላ የቀረ ይመስለኛል ያለሁበት እንትን ማለት ነው። ታስክ 1 እና ታስክ 2 ነው ፐርፎርም ለማድረግ የሞከርኩት ማለት ነው። እስከዛ ያሉትን ሂደቶች ሄጃለሁ። ያኛውን ምናልባት ይሄ ላይብረሪው ትንሽ እያስቸገረ ነው። ፋይናንስ እና ቲኤ ላይቭ የሚለው ማለት ነው። ትንሽ እሱ እያስቸገረኝ ነው ያለው።
Yeah, finance is not supposed to be complicated, so still quantitative analysis expects ስለምናደርግ we need you to see to cover at least one of the library or to use one of the library. So there's a session Karamat ka, maybe have you attended the session with Ramat on quantitative analysis using
yeah I have asked her እንትን ኢምፖርት አድርግ ብላኝ ነበረ። ምንድነው ስፔሲፊክ አላገኘሁትም እንጂ እንትኑን ይሄ GitHub ሪፖዚተሪውን
የነሱ
ዳይሬክት ኢንስታል አድርግ ስል እንትን መጣብኝ። ይሄ ምንድነው VS Code Tools ነው ምናምን ጫን ይላል እና እሱ እንደዛ ያስቸገረኝ ነው ምናምን ብያት ነበር። ጊት ሪፖዚተሪውን ዳይሬክት ክሎን አድርገው ወደ ቨርቹዋል ኤንቫይሮንመንት ብላኛለች። አንደኛውን አድ ለማድረግ ሞክሬያለሁ። ሶ ከሁለት አንደኛውን መጠቀም እችላለሁ ማለት ነው።
Yes, and I would recommend you to use Finance.
Okay. Yes, thank you.
Wendy, if there is a problem, we can maybe check for it after the stand.
If you have a link, ምናልባት የሪፖዚተሪው ስፔሲፊክ ሊንክ ብንጠቀም ሪኮመንድ የምታደርጊው ካለ እሱን ዴም አድርጊ ብታደርጊልኝ ደስ ይለኛል።
እሺ I will look for that after the stand up. I will share that.
Thank you.
ይትባረክ ተስፋዬ you can go on ይትባረክ ይትባረክ if you are talking we can't hear you, you're muted. ይትባረክ እያወራ ከሆነ ሚዩት አርግ ሚዩትድ ነህ አትሰማንም። And if you can't speak, you can just write a call message line. So I will expect your stand up message line. Mawael, can you speak? Okay, Mawal, also if you can't speak, you can just write on the call message. Wendy can go on.
Okay. ማለት ቀደም ሐሳቡ ሲነሳ ነበር እንትን የሚለው ማለት ነው። ይሄ የመጀመሪያው ኢንተሪም ጊታብ ሊንክ አስገቡ የሚለው አለ አይደል? እሱ ላይ ስፔሲፊካሊ ስኬት ድረስ መሄድ እንዳለብን ስፔሲፋይ አልተደረገም። ቀደም ስታወይ ስለነበረ ግልጽ አልሆነልኝ። እሱ አሁን ሪፖርቱ ታስክ ዋንን እንደን ታስክቱ የደረሳችሁበትን እና ኔክስት ፊውቸር ፕላኑን ነው አስቀምጡ የሚለው። ጊታብ ሊንኩ ግን የት መድረስ እንዳለብን ያሳያል።
አንድ ላይ ነው የሚሄዱት። ሶ ላይክ
እንደ ሪፖርት
ጊታባችሁ ላይ ኤክስፔክት የሚደረገው ታስክ ዋንን ታስክ ቱ ፓርሻሊ ከሆነ ሶ ሪፖርታችሁ ላይ እሱ ከሆነ ሶ ዊል ኤክስፔክት ኦን ጊታብ ሊንክ ታስክ ዋንን የሰራችሁበት እና ታስክ ቱ ፓርሻሊ ከቨር ያደረጋችሁበት።
Thank you.
She Lidet, I completed task 1 and task 2 and incorporated them in my interim report. Very nice, Lidet. Good luck with your submission. Any other person who want to share their stand-up? Or since our interim ስለሆነ probably everyone here is going to submit their interim. So ምን ያክል እንደደረሳችሁ if you're worried about it ምናምንም ሼር ልታደርጉ ትችላላችሁ you guys. So feel free to talk. Let's stand up. Okay. If not, I guess we can end the session here. Shimawael, sorry, I can't speak right now. It is too noisy. My progress task 1, 2, and 3 are completed. Very nice, Mawel. It's okay. So yeah, I guess you've we've covered most of the parts, so you can make a good submission.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, Philemon, we can hear you.
Hi. So, status report. I think I have been working these past 2 days with projects in personal life. So I was a little busy, but I think I have started task 1 today, and I'm working on it. I have a little question. I know it might be silly, but can you tell me about task 2? I mean, can we merge all the datas in one file? Like, can we add one column and merge all the datas for the tickers and use that instead of the modularization? I didn't see that recording.
Okay, so if you're asking me about the best practice, then modularizing your data and modularizing is code is the best practice. So if you're asking but if you are thinking to merge the data by itself, and then it means I feel like it means that you're thinking to do the EDA also together, so in one notebook, I guess, if I'm not wrong, right?
Yeah.
So if you feel like that is not going to be a load to handle in one notebook, then you can go for it, okay? But I feel like if there is a massive EDA that you're going to work on one data, then it is going to be really a load and really hard to handle in one notebook. So even like merging the data is going to be another step. So why don't you just use the unmerged format of the data? Like we have 4 data, we can just import those 4 data in different notebook, and then we can do the analysis there. So the hardest part will be, the inconvenient way. The hardest part is going to be the merging the data in just doing them in one notebook. I feel like that. So what do you think?
So yeah, for each a different notebook.
For each track, if you are going to do a lot of, especially for task 2, yeah, for each tickers or for each company, different notebook would be better to use. Would be recommended.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, welcome. Okay, Yitbarak, okay, all going well for me. Very nice, Yitbarak. Girma, I also partially completed. Very nice, Girma. Nanecha, I'm partially completed. Okay, good to hear. Zarufail, can I use the Medium link to submit or just to prepare the document on Medium format? Report, I have completed task 1 and 2 and also already submitted the GitHub link stream. Very nice, Zarufail. So for the Medium link, I guess, yeah, but mostly we do accept Medium link for the final submission or for the final report. So if there is any change on the law, I will just check. But for now, I would like you to consider, like, you need to make your submission on report format for the interim submission. But of course, we accept Medium link for. So since the point is Medium link is going to be somehow published, right? So doing 2 Medium links on one topic will not be that much valid. So I would just recommend you to do the interim part as a report and the final part as a Medium link. Okay, Zarufail. Any other question or any other person who would love to share their stand up? Okay, if not, I guess we can end the session here. If there's anything the non-technical team, Buddha and Emilian, if there's anything that you want to say, then you can proceed. I guess there is nothing, just during the next non-technical session. So thank you guys for being here. And if there's any question and confusion and anything, try to contact us on Slack. And also there's a group, as you all know, there's a group which is classified for every tutor. So be active on that Slack channel and let's help each other. Thank you, everyone, and bye.
Bye, everyone. See you in the Careers Challenge document introduction in like 18 minutes, I think. Bye.
Thank you for the excellent presentation.
Okay, thank you, Miriam.